Is your operations team shift-proof? Does your operation deliver a scaled, extraordinary experience that automatically causes those invaluable reviews and referrals to come in? If you answered no, well, we can help with that. And if you had to think about it or answered, I don't know, well, the answer is likely no, you don't. And if you did answer yes, the question for you is, when was the last time that your system was audited to ensure that our clients are being delivered a service to the market of the moment? Being ahead of the game like this supports your business being shift-proof. Yes, we are still probably getting multiple offers and homes are selling fast, especially in certain parts of the country, absolutely. But does your operations team know how to shift and adjust into a market when homes start sitting for 30, 60, or 90 days before we even get an offer? Your solution is right here. Sign up for the perfect operations team, because an operation that prepares for the upcoming market ahead puts you in control versus the market controlling you.